Now that the iPhone 16 series has dropped, the next big smartphone launch on our radar is the Samsung Galaxy S25 line. Although we probably won't see it until January, a fresh render has given us a sneak peek at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Android headlines and leaker on leaks have put together some renders showcasing what the upcoming flagship might look like. While we've seen unofficial renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra before, this is the first time we're getting a look from so many different angles. These new images, one of which you can check out here, reveal a design that's quite similar to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but with more rounded corners. Plus, the renders show that all four sides of the S25 Ultra are flat, unlike the slightly curved edges of the S24 Ultra. Ice Universe points out that while these renders give a rough idea of what the Galaxy S25 Ultra might look like, they aren't completely spot on. One of the biggest question marks is how the camera rings will actually be designed. The renders show a guess at what those rings could look like, but nothing's been officially confirmed yet. The camera placement seems accurate, but the surrounding design is still uncertain. There are also a few minor mistakes in the renders, especially with the bezel and metal frame. While these aren't huge issues, there's something to keep in mind if you're really scrutinizing the images. Fans and potential buyers should remember that these renders are just early previews and not the final version. On another note, Android headlines and OnLeaks have shared some specs alongside the renders, suggesting that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will weigh in at just 219 grams, which is lighter than the 232 grams Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the 227 grams iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's also expected to have the same 6.8-inch display as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but will be slightly smaller overall. We're looking at a launch for the Galaxy S25 series in January 2025, so there's still plenty of time, and more leaks are sure to come. So keep an eye on the channel for updates, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.